Like shifting focus, it will be for the first time since India's independence that women soldiers will hoist the national flag and at the Indo-China border. Women soldiers of the ITBP who have shattered the important male bastion will be hoisting the national flag on the 15th of August.
The country would swell with pride as India would turn 70 on Independence Day this August. But 640 kilometers away from the nation's capital, Delhi, a small revolution has already begun. 20 women soldiers, part of the 19th Battalion of ITBP, will take charge of the post early in the morning of 15th August. For the first time in forces history, a woman would be hoisting the flag in Sino-India border.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going, and this is the tough message of these women posted in the Indo-China border.
2,000 women were inducted recently in ITBP over 44 weeks of training in battlecraft and mountain survival. The training prepared these women to be toughened so that they can be deployed at frontline in one of the most arduous and tricky terrain given the harsh climatic conditions and extreme mountainous regions. Women are currently deployed in 20 forward posts in Indo-China border.
जो हम पहले थे यहाँ के, हमने अपने आप को इम्प्रूव किया है. जो मैं यहाँ सिखाया जाता है मैम, बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. बाहर सिविल के लाइफ और इस लाइफ में बहुत अंतर है मैम.
महिलाएं आज तक आगे रही है और आगे भी रहना चाहती है और आगे ही रहेगी. हमारे सामने चाहे कोई भी चाइना के दुश्मन आ जाए, हम उसे चित कर देंगे.
For many, Central Armed Police Forces induction of women may be a symbolic step. But ITBP has gone a step further with their next plan to have all women forward post at this crucial border. With Kamaljeet Sandhu in Dhangi, Himachal Pradesh, Bureau Report, India Today.